Let's look at the next law of exponents, that is I divide two terms with the same base. Here I divide two terms with the same base a. The base in numerator is a, the base in denominator is also a. So we divide two terms with the same base a. Whenever we divide two terms with the same base, what we need to do is we have to take the base once and we have to subtract the two exponents, then we will get m minus n. Okay, let's look at another example. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of minus n. Here also we divide two terms with the same base a. So what we need to do is we have to take the base once and we have to subtract the exponents. So first I take the exponent in numerator, then I take minus. Now I have to take the exponent in denominator, that is minus n. Okay, now we have to simplify this one. So minus times minus will become plus. So we get a to the power of m plus n. So the division of a to the power of m and a to the power of minus n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, let's look at another example. X to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 2. So here we divide two terms with the same base x. So we have to take base once and we have to subtract the exponents, that is 7 minus 2, which is equal to x to the power of 5. Okay, let's look at one more example. Y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of minus 1. Here also we divide two terms with the same base y. So what we need to do is we have to take the base once and we have to subtract the two exponents, that is 3 minus of minus 1, which is equal to y to the power of 3 plus 1, that is minus times minus will become plus, which is equal to y to the power of 4. So when we divide y to the power of 3 by y to the power of minus 1, we get y to the power of 4.